who is suitable. So in the first season, 85% of our scholar was student in season 2018. And season 2019, 60% of the scholar who are already working, who already graduate and already working. So it's a dramatic shift of our scholar from first season to the second season. So for me, if you ask me which is suitable, this GUP is actually suitable for everyone.
It's kind of doing everything. There's a lot of challenges.
Yeah, I mean, like I say, the challenge is the key, right? If there's no challenge, everything would be simple. So we love challenge actually, and because challenge help us to make it better. Yeah.
Yes, as you already said, that kind of GUP is mostly for the student. So, are there anyone that is suitable for this program? And what is the core value of GUP?
So let's start with the core value. The core value of GUP is to upskill and inspire somebody to their life to become successful in their own life and also have a mindset to help other people in the community. So that's why we call it GUP is to create more social champion. Now I will tell you about some of the information. Who is suitable. So in the first season, 85% of our scholar was student in season 2018. And season 2019, 60% of the scholar who are already working, who already graduate and already working. So it's a dramatic shift of our scholar from first season to the second season. So for me, if you ask me which is suitable, this GUP is actually suitable for everyone who wants to have a skill set to have their life successful and want to have a skill which will enable them to help other people in the community. So let me explain to you. So let's say example, I want to be a person who want to help other people, want to help myself, and wanted to help my family. So for me, taking the program First Aid Hero Factory is the most suitable for me in this case. So now let's say that I am a person who want to know about nutrition and I want to make my nutrition better, and I also want to make my career in nutrition field as well too. So for me, the Share for Life is the perfect course for me to take. So if I'm a student, going to be graduated in next 1-2 years, or I'm already working on my nutrition field and I want to excel my skill set in my career, Share for Life is perfect for me. And the same time, let's say about I want to be a pediatrician, or at the same time I want to be a good parent, or I want to be a person to take care of my kids around me in my family, or I want to work in childcare industry as well. So for me, Live and Love is a perfect program for me. So that's the way I learn more about how to take care of the children, so I can work with better in a childcare product. I can take care of my family, and I take care of my people around me as well too. At the same time, the last one is I want to be an entrepreneur. I want to build something on myself. Let's say example, I want to build. I want to work in a company, and same time I want to build something, my own startup project as well too. Or somebody just want to be a startup entrepreneur and want to build a social enterprise or a business startup. For them, the RAISE program is perfect for them, because the beauty is because we have in VSHR in academy have a whole ecosystem. So somebody can join in a RAISE program, build up their skill set to be an entrepreneur and build their project, and then they can join the Vietnam's amazing student to bring their project in the real life in 1 month with their mentor and scale this up with a lot of attraction and attention and testing. And then after the Vietnam's amazing student, they can bring their project to a funding stage. If they want to be a startup, they can go to incubator for startup to get funding, Or if they want to be a social enterprise, for that one in VSHR we have a social development factory as well, where they can get a lot of funding to scale up their project as well too. And so next 1 year, somebody have a zero in 1 year, they can have a whole project startup ready, creating impact. So that's what is raised for. So now I'm getting back to you. GUP is for everyone, student, entrepreneur, and now people can pick where they want to focus more, and based on that one they can apply for RAISE, Share for Life, Live and Love, or First Aid Hero Factory.